After completing your onboarding course and assessment, you will need to complete your practice class. You will need to click on this button to create a practice class. Now you can see under My Classes, the practice class has been created, and this is the blue button to join it now. After starting practice class, please make sure to share your screen, upload any file on the whiteboard, turn the microphone on and off, use whiteboard, try tools like text, writing, drawing, etc. Record an introduction of yourself for about 1 minute. Record a 5-minute demo for all subjects listed on your profile. After completing the practice class, it will be sent to our team for review. You can always refer to the list on your left to check which steps you have completed and which are still incomplete. You will receive an email in 1 to 2 business days regarding your practice class if it was not completed successfully. Then you will receive specific feedback about which points were missing. You should focus on those points next time. To create another practice class, go back to your dashboard. You can always revisit your onboarding course and assessment on the dashboard of your profile and can create your next practice class by clicking on this button. You can create another practice class on your preferred date and time. At that time, you will see this Join Class button on your dashboard. Join it and complete all the steps that were missing in your previous attempt. This is how you will complete your practice class. Next step is how to pay your onboarding fee.